Hi everyone, welcome to DaryaCrochetLife. My name is Darya. Today I'm going to show you how to make double crochet and half double crochet. And I will explain you the main difference between these two stitches. So first of all, you need to make a foundation chain. Of course, you need to make a slip knot and then to chain, let's say 15. If you don't know how to make chains, please check out one of my latest videos. I will leave the link in the description down below. So, okay, I have 15 chains. That means that in my first row, I need to have 15 double crochet. We'll start with double crochet right now. There are several ways how you could start your row, your first row, your second row, and all other rows. I will show you today maybe the most common method, the classic one. So for doing that, you need to chain 3 extra stitches. 1, 2, 3. And after that, in every single row, you need to start the row with 3 chains. If you don't know how to count your chains, I have small piece of advice for you. So first of all, don't twist your chain like this. If you twist your chain, you cannot count how many chains do you have. Lay down it like this. So you will see the really beautiful braid. It looks like braid. And after that, you could count how many chains do you have. Let's count together. So here is first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here is my last chain and I have 3 extra chains. I hope that this part is clear. Okay, in the first row you need to make a double crochet. But before doing that, we need to understand where to insert our hook. Now you know how to count your chains. Please count 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 5th chain. And I will insert my hook in this chain here. In this chain. But before doing that, I need to make a yarn over because our double crochet starts with yarn over. I'm doing it like this. Very simple. Yarn over. Now I insert my hook in the 5th chain from the hook. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook in this chain. Grab the working yarn and pull it through the chain, and now I have 3 loops, 3 stitches. I grab the yarn one more time and pull it through the first 2 loops, and I have 2 loops again on my hook. I grab the yarn one more time and pull it through last 2 loops, and here I have my first double crochet. I will show you one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain. Here is previous chain and this one is next chain. Grab the yarn, pull it through the chain. Now I have 3 loops. Grab the yarn, pull it through the 2 first loops. Now I have 2 loops again. Grab the yarn one more time and pull it through the last 2 loops. And now I have 2 double crochet. I will show you several more times. Grab the yarn, yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain, grab the yarn. Now I have 3 loops. Grab the yarn, pull it through the first 2 loops. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. Grab the yarn, pull it through the last 2 loops. All right, I will continue to the end of my row, and after that I will show you how to make the second row. I come to the last chain and I'm making the last double crochet in this chain, and now I will show you how to count your double crochets in this first row. So as you remember, first I had a foundation with 15 chains, so that means that I need to have 15 double crochets in my first row. So let's count together. You could count using this braid at the top of our crocheting part, but you could count using these bars. You could see them very well. Yep, so let's count using our bars. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, you could think that you miss one double crochet, but no. These 3 chains that we start our row with, they play the role of one double crochet. So basically in the first row you need to have 3 chains, that is one double crochet. Let's pretend that this is one double crochet, and then you need to have 14 double crochets. Let's move to the second row, and you will crochet all other rows like the second one. So you need to start your row with chain 3, and this will be our first bar, our first double crochet when we'll count in the next row. Turn your work like this, and since it plays the role of double crochet, so we don't use the first hole, the first double crochet from the previous row. We don't insert our hook here. We will start with the second. So basically what you need to do, you need to insert your hook right in the right at the top of the double crochet from the previous row. So I'm making my yarn over. I don't insert in this first hole. No, I will insert in the second double crochet from the previous row, and I will make double crochet here. Because of this method, you will have holes at the beginning of your row, but since this crocheting is very lacy, so it's not a problem for me at all. I will continue to the end of the row, and I will show you how to finish and how to count the double crochets at the end of this second row. Okay, it seems like I finished my row, but let's count and see whether I did the required number of double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 would be these 3 chains. Okay, that means that I need to make one more double crochet. Of course, because I didn't use these 3 chains from the first row, I have these 3 chains and I didn't insert hook in this chain yet. So I will make double crochet and I will insert the hook right into this last chain. And now I will have 15 double crochets in the second row. And my edges would be really strict and straight. In order to start next row, I need to chain 3, turn my work, make a yarn over. Don't insert my hook in the first hole, but start with the second one, and make double crochets in every single hole of this row. I'm using every single double crochet from the previous row. And here at the end of the row, don't forget to insert your hook in the last chain. And now I will have 15 bars, 15 double crochets in the third row. So here is how you are making your double crochets. If you have any questions on how to make double crochets, please leave me a comment. I will try to reply all of them. Alright, right now let's talk about half double crochets. I have a foundation chain here with 15 chains. Again, I don't twist it like this. I straight it and put it straight like this. So in order to start the half double crochet row, I need to make 2 extra chains, not 3 like in double crochets, but 2 extra stitches. And after that, I need to make a yarn over, the same like in double crochet, but then I will not insert my hook in 5th chain. I will insert my hook in 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm inserting my hook in the 4th chain, grab the yarn, pull it through the chain, and now I have 3 loops. Right now everything is the same like in making double crochet, but starting from this point there will be some difference. I'm grabbing my yarn one more time and now pull through all loops, pull through all 3 loops. And here I have my first half double crochet. I will show you one more time. Yarn over, insert my hook in the next chain, grab the yarn. Now I have 3 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull it through all 3 chains. These bars are shorter than in double crochet, so the row itself would be shorter. One more time. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain, grab the yarn. Now I have 3 loops, grab the yarn one more time and pull it through all 3 loops. And I will continue to the end of the row. I'm making the last half double crochet in the last chain. And now let's count how many half double crochets I have. I need to have 15 because at the beginning I had 15 chains. My foundation chain was 15 stitches. So let's count 1, 2, 3. Maybe I will use my hook to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And again, these 2 chains will play the role of 1 half double crochet. So this will be 15. The same principle of counting as in double crochets. Let's start second row. I'm making 2 chains, turn my work. The same principle, so I don't insert the hook in the first hole. I will not use the first half double crochet from the previous row. I will start with the second. Yarn over and make my half double crochet in the second hole from the hook, like this. And now I will insert the hook in the every next half double crochet from the previous row. Again, if you're not sure how many half double crochets did you do, just count them. Let's count using these chains, like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and these 2 chains, 14. So that means that I need to make 1 more half double crochet at the end of this row, and I will insert my hook in this chain from the previous row. You remember our 2 chains, and I will insert my hook in the last chain like this and make my last half double crochet. And now I have 15 half double crochet in the second row. I will show you 1 more row. So chain 2, turn your work, don't insert in the first hole, start with the second, and again the very last half double crochet goes to this first chain. Here is how you make your half double crochet rows. And now you could see the difference between these 2 patterns. First of all, both of them have 3 rows, and you could see that the double crochet is longer than half double crochet. But the same way, double crochet is more lacy, it has more holes compared to this pattern. I hope you liked this video and it was useful for you. If so, please like, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Have a nice day. Bye bye.